Okay, so you know when you don't sleep much and you've been awake for a while and it feels like your brain's just in mud and you just think slower and it's just hard to think straight? That's what I'm feeling right now, because we just flew overnight from home, from Canada to Germany. I was hoping to sleep on the plane because I purposely stayed up the night before the flight, and I did not sleep on the plane for whatever reason. I only slept like 1 hour, but that doesn't matter because we're doing something cool today. We're going to Sweden. Not just Sweden, northern Sweden, 200 kilometers north of the Arctic Circle. Feels very strange to say, but we have a plane ticket to Stockholm. I have a train ride north. So let's see what we can find. This is what's happening. 10 p.m. now. I'm taking a train at 5 a.m. to get to Frankfurt Airport. From Frankfurt Airport, we're flying to Stockholm. From Stockholm, there's a 6 p.m. train that runs 15 hours overnight to Abisko in northern Sweden. The actual stop is called Kiruna, but I am so confident I'm not saying that properly that I want to go look up how to say it properly before I repeat it too many times. 4:15. I feel horrible. Train leaves in just under an hour, so we need to finish zipping up the bag. The hope is that by the time I get there, I'll forget how I feel in this moment, because I feel really gross.